especially होगा of Max Hall, which I got it in discount. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited to check things what I purchased.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय व्लॉग। डेडिकेशन देख रहे हो? अभी रात के बजे 10:50। कल मेरी फ़्लाइट है। इफ़ यू डोंट नो दैट आई एम अ कैबिन क्रू एंड वेलकम टू वी व्लॉग एंड दोज हू आर न्यू। जो लोग यहाँ पे नए हैं तो मैं बता दूँ कि मैं कैबिन क्रू हूँ यूएई में, अबू धाबी में। तो येस, विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम, बिकॉज मुझे टाइम पे सोना भी है और सुबह मेरी एक्चुअली आफ्टरनून को फ़्लाइट है, इसलिए मैं अभी टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ। नॉट टाइम वेस्ट, डेडिकेशन से नेक्स्ट वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ। तो ये वीडियो है थोड़ा सा स्पेशल बिकॉज यहाँ पे एंड ऑफ सीज़न सेल चल रहा है। एंड ऑफ सीज़न सेल मतलब यूएई में हर टाइम तो सेल होता ही है, ईद हो या फिर एंड ऑफ जनवरी, एंड ऑफ दिसंबर एंड जून जुलाई, और ईद के टाइम पे भी डिस्काउंट्स होते हैं। तो ये स्पेशली होगा अ मैक्स हॉल which I got the things on a discount and I'm so excited. I hope you guys are also excited to check my things what I purchased what are in a trendy, like all the Pinterest stuff, all my algorithm which is I'm following on Instagram, जो भी मैं देख रही हूँ trending clothes. Actually I'm in UAE. The temperature outside is 40 degree, maybe more. रात को थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है क्योंकि अभी रात के 10:50 बज गए हैं, तो इतनी गर्मी हो रही है। बट मेरे एसी का आवाज़ आता है तो मैंने एसी बंद कर दिया है। एंड दिस इज़ माई स्टूडियो, pretty studio. If you didn't watch my video, how the way I decorated, you have to go watch and check my IKEA decoration thing, like all the video. So yes, without wasting the time, welcome to vlog and let's start with the first product. Yes, this is very cute. I wore this yesterday. मैं ये कल ही ब्लॉग बनाने की कोशिश कर रही थी बट मेरे से हुआ नहीं क्योंकि मैं
इतना थक गई थी। आई लव यास मॉल। अगर आपको पता होगा, अगर आप यूएई से हो तो अबू धाबी यास मॉल फ्रॉम अयास आइलैंड इज़ अमेजिंग। इट्स सो प्रीटी, इट्स सो न्यू, द क्राउड इज़ रियली नाइस, ऑल द शॉप्स आर देयर एंड एवरीवेयर इज द डिस्काउंट। एंड कल मैंने मूवी देखा है द टॉय स्टोरी 5 एंड यू शुड वॉच एज वेल टू जस्ट फील नॉस्टैल्जिक। एंड यस, आई एम अ चाइल्डहुड फैन ऑफ टॉय स्टोरी 5, टॉय स्टोरी। End of the day, it's amazing. You should watch as well. So, without wasting your time, come to the point.
So yeah, look at this pretty bangles. I got this. These are so pretty. Like, ये तो ग्लास वाला है, अभी तो ये बहुत ट्रेंड में चल रहा है। और स्पेशली ये ब्लू वाला उसके साथ के स्टैक में ही था, और ये सिल्वर, तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन इतना सुंदर लग रहा था। कल मैंने एक आउटफिट पे पहना तो इट वाज लुकिंग रियली प्रिटी एंड इट्स ऑल फ्रॉम मैक्स। सो आई गॉट द सेम प्राइस जो मैंने स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग पे एफसी रोड पे देखा था। ये लोग वो उसको बोल रहे कि 300। सो आई गेस मुझे ये 300 से भी कम प्राइस में तीनों मिल गए। So I'm so happy and let's get into the second one. Okay, so let's talk about the clutches because last time मैंने कुछ clutches लिए थे, वो इतने टूट रहे थे कि पता नहीं, एक हफ्ते में ही सब टूट रहे थे। तो I need a clutch. So yes, especially I like this one. It's nothing, just the ordinary clutch. It's like you will get this in H&M also. And because ये शेप मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, स्पेशली मैंने ये जो चीता प्रिंट है या टाइगर नॉट चीता प्रिंट है, इसलिए मैंने ये लिया था बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी, दिस लुक सो एस्थेटिक एंड या। एंड नेक्स्ट द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट, आई लव इट। इफ़ आई गो टू बाली, eventually I was planning this since 2024. I canceled 2 trips for the Bali. I hope I will go soon. Manifesting. I hope I will go soon. Then I will wear this pretty clip. It's a crochet clip, you can see. And पीछे से ऐसा कुछ है. So whenever you go to the beach, you will just wear bikini or a tank top, and you just have to put this here and it will look so pretty. मेरे ये नाइट सूट पे भी ये इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, so it's so cute. If you need a links, just comment down. I will send you all the links, but the disclaimer is I shop this all from Abu Dhabi, so the prices will be in dirhams. So yeah, this is the cutest purchase. It was in my cart like long back, more than 6 months, and it was still there, so I got it. Yep. And next, also the same clutch. I love clutches, so if I go to my I'm manifesting that I will go soon to Bali. I will wear this. See, I already did a shopping for Bali. This hair clips, like the flowers are going viral, like on your sandals, on your sleepers, on hair clips, your accessories. You can put it on anywhere. It's really cute. You can see. Okay, let me show you one. The clutches was ordinary. This one I can show you for sure. Yeah. Okay, it's stacked like this, so I cannot remove now. But yeah, the flowers are like this. The clutch will be like this. This one is also in the pink, and this one will be this one is in the blue. But look at the material. It's very cute. It's like very steady and it's very nice. And yes, I guess मेरे से भी लंबे बाल होंगे, उनको ये आ जाएगा. It's really cute. Look at the pearl thing over here. Look at the details. Like अगर मैं इस distance से देखूँ तो ये real flowers दिख रहा है. So it's really a good purchase. If you need a links, you can message. You can comment on my video, and I will give you. The next product is, because I wanted to try this one, because I have the other one which is in the big size. I want to try this nipple sticky. So just let's see, because now I have a lot of tank tops, and I don't know you wear tube tops, but I have a lot of tank tops and the strappy tops. You can go for the nipple patches. And also this is something new. This is yeah, this is new in market. I don't know, like I got this product also. I saw this product on, I guess, somewhere online, but the prices are really high. But Max is the cheapest option. I will not say cheapest, but you will get in a budget, like the designs, the clothes and all. If you like something in Zara, you will get that stuff half of the price in Max. Mark my words. Like I don't know about the Indian Max, but the UAE Max is like that. It's work like that. So I had this experience now 4 years, that if I like something in the Max, in H&M or somewhere else, I got it from Max in the half of the price, like without even a discount. So if it helped for you, you can go and shop from Max India. And yes, this is the bralette. It will look like this. So if you want to wear something deep, and if you want to wear something backless, and if you are not comfortable kind of for these things like nipple patches, you can wear these bra, because this one will stick to your back, like here, this side, the same one, it's here, यहाँ पे भी होगा और यहाँ पे भी होगा. So if you have a deep neckline, you can wear this. You have a strapless, you have a strappy tops like the one I wore it. This is very comfortable, I believe so. And yeah, this is something, a sticky thing over here. Yes, let me try and I will give you the reviews. It's really a good purchase. It's nice. I'm happy with it. The quality is really amazing. So yes, I got this this one. If you didn't watch my video, आपको देखना पड़ेगा मेरा FC रोड पुणे का व्लॉग, जहाँ पे मैंने वेस्ट साइड से कुछ चीज़ें लिए थे, तो उसमें से ये नाइट सूट था सेम. सो इट वाज वेरी कंफर्टेबल, द स्ट्रैपी वन. सो नाउ इट्स ट्रेंडिंग आल्सो, सो आई फील वेरी कंफर्ट. एंड सो आई गॉट इट वन मोर पजामा. आई विल शो यू. आई विल ओपन दिस वन. कहाँ से ओपन करो भाई इसको? ओके, just a minute. Okay, this one is cute. I like light colors, you know. I got it in the medium size. Yeah, this one. I don't know why internationally when I buy clothes as a medium size they fit me perfect, but the one I buy some things from India, it little bit tight for me. Like this one top, it's not loose like comfort, it's little bit tight, like not tight, like not loose like comfy one. So yes, this is the top of the pajama. It's very cute. There are the bow detailing and also some cute flowers. It's so cute. Look at the detailing, like it's so pretty, it's so cute. Yeah, of course end of the day I'm just a girl and I got this only for, you will shock, only for 29 dirhams. You can convert this in Indian rupees, India. Okay, and this is the pajama, the small shorts, and I really like the short length of the Max clothes. It's not too much short like H&M and Zara. It's a perfectly comfortably and appropriate shorts, so you can wear it on a daily basis without hesitation. So yeah, and last but not the least, this is the perfect god set. पहली बात तो मैंने बस उसका टॉप ऑर्डर किया था पहले, उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि the skirt is actually on a trend now, so I should buy the skirt. So both I can wear differently, like I can wear this skirt किसी और टैंक टॉप के साथ ब्लैक और वाइट, और टॉप में पहन सकती हूँ डेनिम के साथ और किसी अदर फैब्रिक, कोई भी पैंट होगा उसके साथ. सो इसे इतना डेंजर पैकिंग करके क्यों देते हैं, मतलब कोई इसमें से चुरा तो नहीं पाएगा, बट यार निकाल भी नहीं पा रहे हैं ना. Okay, so yes, look, the color is very elegant and I'm sure you must be seeing this in a Zara, H&M. The quality is really nice and this is little bit a crisscross, like a symmetrical length, like bottom, and it's really pretty. Look at the quality is really good. It's really good. Like even the straps, you have adjustment that if you want to adjust according to you, and it's really good. And I got this in the medium size. It's amazing. I can wear this on a white pant. Can you imagine? It will look so chic, so amazing, so elegant. And I will show you the skirt because then I realized I buy the top. Why not if I want to wear these two together? So better to buy a skirt as well. So let me show you the skirt. Yeah, it's so pretty. Can you check? It's all on my Pinterest, all on my Instagram, all the chic girlies, all the influencer from abroad, all the influencer from Paris, USA, London, because it's a summer day all over the place. And UAE में तो summer day होता है 10 महीनों के लिए, 2 महीना छोड़ के तो हर टाइम तो summer होता है. So I love UAE because you can wear any clothes, because यहाँ पे ना ठंडी होती है ना बारिश होती है, so you can take out your summer clothes and you can enjoy. So yes, look at the skirt. I got this also in a medium size and it's also symmetrical, like crisscross ending, and yeah, it's so pretty. The fabric is not that cheap one. It's very good quality. Trust me, it's like a exactly copy of Zara material, but just the cheap version. Cheap in the price, but the quality is the same. I just went to Zara yesterday because on Zara also there is a sale, and Max also, H&M also had a sale. You will get the vlog. Next is Max. It will be Zara and H&M. A quick small vlog. So you will see, I will tell you the exactly fabric I saw and which was in a double and triple prices. So usse acha you should go for a Max if you want to buy the things in a budget and in a discount. So yes, I exactly saw this with the same lace, but the prices was so high, like double or triple of this. So yes, I like what I purchased and I purchased in a discount. If you love to want links, you can comment on my video that you want a link.
And thank you for watching. I hope you liked my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't